Hey everybody, our first Raspberry Pi workshop for kids was a raging success. And today we have with us one of our star pupils from the first class. This is Isa and her father, Bill. So Isa, tell me, what did you think about the class?
I loved it.
Did you? What did you do?
I programmed the goalie and the soccer ball.
So it was a fun game that you programmed yourself, right?
Yes.
That's great. Bill, what did you think as a father participating in the workshop?
I thought it was awesome to see kids delve into computers at such an early age. You know, I grew up with computers, but I didn't learn at her age how to do this kind of stuff, and it was very, very easy. The instructors, Ben and Kelsey, were amazing with the kids and very patient and kind, and just watching them and the excitement that she had doing the game was just phenomenal.
And what did you think about the programming interface that was aimed at kids? Was it intuitive for kids? Was it hard for them to do?
Oh, absolutely. It was very easy for the kids to understand. The whole idea of making it like a Lego, what the instructors Ben and Kelsey were saying, was very cool because my daughter and I play Legos all the time, so she understands that concept of clicking the blocks together, and that interface, being able to do it that way, was just phenomenal.
Well, that's great. We really enjoyed having Isa. She did a really good job, and for being a participant, you get this Raspberry Pi passport, and you are now officially a programmer. Congratulations, Isa.
Job.
Thank you.
Where is Experimac West Houston?
We're on the Katy Freeway between Bunker Hill and Gessner, across from Memorial City Mall.
Great, thanks.
Thank you. Come and see us.